guys, and welcome back to this channel. Did you know that you can actually now create auto captions from songs, so that when you create a video and you want to add lyrics, you don't have to type it one by one? Well, I'm going to show you how you can do that. So you are going to just select text, and then you are going to select auto lyrics. Oh, I need to turn the volume on first, so make sure you do that. So go to text, go to auto lyrics, and I'm just going to choose the original sound for the sound source. You can also select language. It's available in 5 languages: Chinese, English, Portuguese, Spanish, and Indonesian. I'm going to choose English for mine, and then I'm just going to select start. Now it's going to create auto lyrics, and you can also resize the text. Oops, sorry. You can resize it, and you can also batch edit it too, and also you can change the font of the text, which I think is pretty cool. And you can also change the style of it. And yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!